Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackman Guitar. In this lesson, I'm going to show you the easiest way I know how to play Abide on acoustic guitar. The guitar is tuned standard E-A-D-G-B-E, but we have a capo at fret 4. So we'll be calling the chords by their form names. The key is B major. Let's start with the chords that we'll need. We'll need a G major chord, or a G major chord form, a D major chord, E minor, A minor, and C. We'll start with the verses. For the verses, we'll play G, D, E minor, and C. And we'll repeat that for the verses. Now the strumming pattern that I'm using is down, up, down, up. Just repeating that. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And here's what that will sound like with the recording. Now for the chorus, we'll go to a G chord, D, A minor, E minor, C, and D. Again. After we finish the chorus, we'll go to G, and C, and then restart the song. Now since all the chords repeat, that's all we have to know in order to play Abide by Aaron Williams on acoustic guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.